Kate here with WTI, and if you are looking for the softest sheets, you have to check out this set from Benji. They are so cozy, but honestly what I especially like about them is how breathable they are. I often overheat at night, and with these sheets, I am cool the whole night. I don't break out in a sweat. I'm super comfortable, so that's a big deal for me. Now, another thing that makes these stand out is their size. So I have a king size mattress. This is the king size set. But they are so generously sized that I could have a much thicker mattress and have plenty of room. And it also has, I would say, a good 3 feet at the end to be able to tuck it in so that you're not coming loose at night. Now, I've washed them several times. They do not shrink. They come out just as good as the day I got them. They also come with 2 pillow shams, which in a king, it fits perfectly. The stitching is really well done. The corners are nice and stretchy. There's a great elastic on them. Just overall, a really high quality set. So if you're looking for a sheet set with the luxury of a hotel, then I think you will be really pleased with these ones, and that's my point of view.